Hello, this is David Scott Peters with therestaurantexpert.com, and I want to talk to you about your next step. You've got your employees in, you've got your master schedules in. The next step is to actually schedule your employees. Now, Smart Systems Pro is incredible because it allows your employees and you to have access to the system from anywhere that you have internet, an iPad, or a computer, right? You've got the ability to log in, see your information. Well, it's also going to help you benefit by staying within budget. Later, we're going to teach a system called the labor allotment system. Much like the purchase allotment system in the daily paperwork tells you how much money you could spend, well, it's going to do the same thing. How much money can I spend by position? How many hours do I have to schedule? But I can't utilize that system later on if I don't do my schedules in Smart Systems Pro. So what do you need to do? You need to get your first schedule in there. All right, it's going to take some time. I got bad news for you. It's just like scheduling on paper or a spreadsheet you've been using. The first time you ever did it, it's a puzzle, right? Like how many people I have, when do I need them to work, what can they work, what can't they work, who's better, who's worse. It's a puzzle. And unfortunately for us in the restaurant business, when we screw up a schedule, we're never really smart enough to start all over. Instead, we invest more time, double, triple the time trying to fix it, right? Making sure people are on close opens and things like that. Well, once you've put your first schedule together, you put it in the system, that may take you 3 to 6 man hours. And that's all your managers. 3 to 6 man hours to get them in the system first. Later, I'm going to tell you the benefits are each one of those managers is going to be scheduling in under an hour because we have the ability to copy those schedules forward. We tend to schedule the same people, the same shifts week after week with some small changes. Well, once you've got those original schedules in, it may take you less than an hour to do a schedule because you simply copy one week forward and make your edits. Going to be really simple, really good. Now, what else do we need? I need you to be thinking about, here's our recommended policy. It's up to you. But let's say I schedule my week as a Monday through Sunday. I want all of my employees to put requests in by 2 o'clock on Tuesday. I want my managers to write their schedules by Wednesday evening or Thursday morning, and I want to be able to approve them and post them by Thursday 4 p.m. so that all of my employees know what next week is about. They can plan, because our employees work for us for one major reason, called flexibility. What other industry do you know that you could change next week? I want to go water skiing next week. I want to go snow skiing, right? I ask 5 people to take all my shifts, and it's okay. I'm gone. I need extra money. I want to work an extra shift. As long as I don't go into overtime, I switch with somebody. So people work for us for flexibility. We want to give them that respect that they can make those plans. What are we going to do for you? We're going to train you. Train how to use every aspect. Because in the scheduling system, one, it's how do I schedule? Whether it's using the slider bars, typing the numbers in, whatever you want to do to get the start and stop time, using things like phase, first out, if you want to assign stations, assign close, whatever it may be. We can teach you how to use each one of those steps. Very simple. Whether it's transferring shifts, I want to trade this shift with this person on this shift, can do that very easily. Copy schedules forward. Changing what availability is or how many people we need on certain days. All this stuff is very, very simple to do, but it takes training. We're going to train you, then we're going to support you. It's going to take 15 to 20 minutes max to teach you how to use a scheduling system. That's it. But when you're done here, you forget, no big deal. We have unlimited training support Monday through Friday, 9 a.m. to 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. If you have a challenge with any of these steps, I want you to call. We're here to help. That's what we're here for. Scheduling is critical to your business for staying on budget, for giving your guests the best service possible, to meet the needs of the business. Wow, customer service. Think about it. We're in the people business. Well, let's schedule them in the right places at the right time. And don't forget, we're here to teach you how to use it. So, are you ready? Give us a call. Let's start scheduling.